back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this curly wig two ways, so you're going to see two styles. This is going to be big fluffy and you're going to see an updo. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. So coy, take it slow to let. Today's hair sponsor is Megalook. I have worked with them so many times on my channel. I've never received a wig this amazing from them before. I'm super excited to be talking about this unit because look at her, you guys. There's never a shortage of hair when it comes to Megalook hair. When they say Megalook, you get mega volume too. Mega length, mega density, mega style, okay? Today what I have installed is a 26-inch deep curly HD transparent lace frontal wig. This is in the 13x4 frontal, so it is 13x4 all the way around. When you look at me that way, irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait, so erotic. Perks, and I want you to want me. I want you to crave me as tension is building, yeah, and driving us crazy. Lightly pre-plucked the hairline and I did bleach the knots off camera, so my job should be made a little bit easier. I'm gonna try it on without any lace tint and then we'll see if we're gonna spray the lace tint or not. Yeah, we're definitely gonna spray some lace tint on it. The lace tint I'm gonna be using, powerful sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is press this hair back, kind of see what I'm working with. Push and pull, that frictions. So I did my lazy girl plucking method. Basically, it's pluck where it's visible. So anywhere that will be very obvious that I have on a wig, I plucked. Most of my plucking I did was just around the hairline, so around here. And being very gentle because I don't want to poke any holes in the lace or anything like that. Sensual touch, draw me in when you handle me. I'm going to secure the front first and then we're going to secure the rest. And I'm going to be using this Ebon lace melt spray. That way where you've been all my life, just play by the rules, baby, hold out until it's too much, and I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. Let's see what we got. That looks really good actually. For my ear section, I'm going on an angle. I'm gonna save these for some baby hairs later. You can do that. Okay, see how that's sitting? Really nice and flush, that's what we want. Now we can just cut the rest of the lace off and then do the same process. I haven't done this method before. So I'll get the spray. I think the trick to this is applying it while it's still wet. Tension is building, yeah, and driving us crazy. Let's see if it's the same process. Wow, look at that, you guys. This is the perfect melt. This is very easy. Look how beautiful that is. There's like no cleanup or anything. Like you can literally just do this in 5 minutes. I might install all my frontal wigs this way from now on. The trick to this method is applying the spray and the lace while it's wet. So the melting band while it's still wet. Should be good. That's how you prevent it from being ashy and cakey. Look at that, you guys. I finally figured it out. Oh my god. Why am I so happy?
Infectious, persuasive, contagious, demure, obscure. I long for a lord, magnetic, infectious, persuasive, so contagious, demure, obscure. I long for drive us crazy.
Beautiful install, beautiful wig, 180% density is giving me like shoot, this seems like it's 300%. Like, do you see the amount of hair? And this is not even like fully combed through. It's still a little bit damp, you guys. So if I did comb through it or had all of the hair down, which I might do towards the end because it looks so good. So let's actually do that. The fact that this wig is a full 13x4, I knew I wanted to play around with that hairline because it was literally just calling my name like, put me up, put me up. Now the hairline definitely needs plucking. So when you get this wig, you're gonna need to pluck it. And also I do recommend bleaching the knots. And I'm so happy that I did because it just looks, it looks even more realistic. This wig, if you wanna do a very frizzy, puffy, natural look, you could definitely do that. I'm gonna do a little bit of Eco Style gel just to help me along the way to blend in with the rest of the hair. The curls on this wig is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. So imagine when it's dry. We're gonna come back when it's dry. Density is, oh my goodness, so big. Look at this hair. This is what dreams are made of. Wow. If you like big curly hair, your search is over because Megalook has got you. Look at this. It's literally the entire frame. Wow. I've never seen a wig this full before. I'm blown away. So which style do you prefer? Do you prefer the updo or this big fluffy? Oh my goodness. Anyways, guys, I gotta go. Bye.